Nong stoin tang chalan ru kami ran jong government. Tan Umar. Simbai entry kan no. Hendai pesan hajar. Na nong stoin nya na mesiu. Chatehi ki high level. Hendai pesan hajar sa photon kan ne. Na nong stoin, pai na nong stoin tang chalan rom don satu em. Aba men kedang sahapo kataru arspa lai spa keneman gemit ya bat nong stoin bat juai. Kali dia kemai kaji jongki borok nang mai khala sukuni num high level. Sau photon. Ngan sai sabi ya me up shua. Ngan pan shua ki salan ge ki borok. Salan ayu kan entry me sau kendai pesan hajar sau photon. Ngan li ngam nam air sabi. Ngan bat syu. Sau photon goyong klam salan wanan nong stoin entry high level kendai pesan hajar. Mana bokelek ya kata sewat jengtip hi. Kumne naduk menin mit aduk mentah sispa arspa ayat kali men kamit. Daya keren kelut ke skor. Baik ya me driver ngam syun ramas tuang, ha? Tonton ngejing sutia juga nong penyaj. Nawar bakila kini kamai kaji jeng kipai ba. Register case Mboy lai. Yang chua. Ong ngata ka high level one go. San phau tan ni tan ni ham lai.
But let me just reiterate. Let me tell you again. We already have district administration, be it SP, be it DC. They are on the job, 24/7. So those people who found out such irregularities in movement of trucks or coal or whatever, I think the police station also we have. Why not they immediately inform the police, immediately inform the district administration? They will take action accordingly. Not necessarily that you have to inform me, not necessarily that you have to inform Chief Minister. I think in the district itself, it can be done because that standing order has been issued to all the district administration, be it SP and be it the Deputy Commissioners. If the Honorable High Court wanted more transparency, we welcome that. It is good. That's what I'm telling you because now we are being blamed. They keep blaming. Oh, government is like that, they're doing this, doing that. So it is good. I'm telling you, it is very, very good. I'm really satisfied. And then the government, they welcome the decision taken by the